Hello guys, and welcome back to another video, another day in Alberta, Canada. So we are staying pretty close to a town called Canmore, and today we are heading to Banff. Now Banff itself isn't actually too far away from where we're staying, but we're actually heading to, I guess, north of Banff, which is a lake called Lake Louise. It's a very famous lake, it's a very common tourist spot. So yeah, we're going to go there first, have a good walk around, take some beautiful pictures, which I'm sure we'll take, and yeah, see what's up there, and then we're going to head back down to Banff itself, as in the town, and then take a look around there and see what's going on there as well. Enjoy. Okay, so important thing to note, that if you are planning on coming to Banff National Park yourself, we actually just had to go through like a toll booth, and essentially you have to buy a pass. Now for the day, which we're only coming here for the day, it's $21. I think for the week it's like $100 and something. And I think that covers all of our parking charges and things like that. So yeah, definitely worth noting. You also get a visitor guide as well. So you know, I'm well, you know, I'm happy to pay the $21. It's not like, oh, that's a rip-off. It's, you know what I mean. They have to cover the cost to maintain the national park somehow, right? So yeah, it's fair enough that you have to pay, to be fair.
And there are so many great places to advertise.
Like on the radio.
There's digital display ads.
Digital out of home.
Social media.
Agree, but I won't set me in the path of the lightning bolt.
Okay, so we're here, I think, and yeah, as you can see from the parking lot, it's definitely a lot busier compared to the other places that we've been so far here. And yeah, I think it is sort of like a very sort of tourist hotspot, so we'll see if there's many people at the lake itself. Well, this is it then. This is Lake Louise. As you can see, completely frozen over. I don't think you're supposed to walk on it. Obviously some people are. But yeah, not much of the lake to see, I guess. Okay, so I think that is going to pretty much wrap up our time at Lake Louise. We did sort of walk, I guess, halfway across the lake, but it's pretty much going to be all the same. We do have quite a lot to get done today in Banff. So yeah, would I recommend coming here? Probably. You know, if you're traveling like a long way specifically just to come to Lake Louise, probably not. But the fact that we're doing, like I said, a load of different things in the area anyway, it's you know, it's worthwhile doing. It would have been nice to see the lake not frozen, but we are in early April. It is still, you know, the temperatures are still close to freezing, so yeah, I guess it's to be expected. But I think now we're probably going to head on to, I think it's Lake Moraine, or Moraine Lake, which I think is not too far away from here. So hopefully that is at least slightly not all frozen. Okay, so we was going to go to Moraine Lake, but as you can see, the road is closed, and it's like, I think about a 12-kilometer walk, which, you know, we just don't have time for that now. So I guess we're going to go on to Banff next. Okay, so we have arrived in Banff now. We're just kind of parked at the side of the road. We're heading to a place called, is it Bow Falls? Bow Falls?
Bow Falls.
And how far is the walk from here?
I don't know.
I can see the river on the map. It doesn't look too far, to be honest, but we have got to try and walk down to it. So yeah, I guess we're going to check that out now. Okay, so we've actually walked about a mile or so from where we parked into downtown Banff. We need to go to the toilet, and we just want to have a quick look around anyway. But this is where we're at right now. I think this is the river Bow or Bow. I may be saying it completely wrong. I'm sure at least one person may try and correct me. But yeah, this is the river just there behind us. It's so beautiful. It's actually really sunny today as well. It just sort of makes it a lot more pleasant to walk in. But yeah, I think we're going to head into downtown, go to the toilet, then walk back down the trail, take some nice photos and all that good stuff. It's snowing.
Again.
Okay, so we went into Banff town centre then, and to be honest, it was actually quite a bit bigger than what I expected. I thought it was just going to be like a small little village, but there's some McDonald's there. There's like, you know, a whole bunch of different outlet stores there, and yeah, it's quite a nice little town actually. Everything there that you need, and as you can see, I have a new hat now as well. I should have bought a hat with me on this trip, but for whatever reason I forgot to. It's been pretty cold, which is pretty much what I expected. My head's been cold, so yeah, well needed hat. You could say it's came a little late though, because we do fly home tomorrow, but whatever, I need the hat, so we have one now. And we're actually going to be heading back to the complex, back to the condo, because well, we plan to go to, what was it?
Was it Banff Upper Hot Springs or something like that?
I think so, yeah, but isn't that like next to a hotel or something?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, so we're going to be going in these hot springs. Turns out that they actually, well, they closed at 6, but the last entry is 5 p.m, so it's like 5 p.m. now, so it would have been too much of a rush to try and get there in time, and we wouldn't have had much time in there, so we figured we may as well just go back, have some dinner, and probably go in the hot tub tonight. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. My knee's hurting. Right there, my knee's hurting. I don't know if it's arthritis or what.
You'll have to speak to the doctor.
Well, apparently it's quite a normal thing, obviously, when it's cold for your knees to hurt, because the increase in pressure around your joints. That is a good job I haven't got a manual.
Yeah, it is.
Work clutch.
And you do keep slipping, so that's probably what's hurt your knee as well. You keep slipping everywhere. Did you tell the vlog you slipped down?
What's that?
Did you tell the vlog that you almost slipped down? Well, you did.
I did slip over, yeah. So funny story, or not funny, whichever way you want to look at it. When we was leaving Lake Louise, it was Lake Louise, wasn't it? Yeah, I slipped over, like properly slipped over.
On your front?
Yeah, obviously I don't have any walking boots on. It wasn't even like, it didn't even look that bad, did it? It was just like a very, very gentle decline just back to the car park. Both my hands in my pockets. and yeah, I had my camera around me and I just went whoop, and just slipped. I sort of slipped and spun around and like landed face first.
I just looked at you just like
I landed on top of my camera and everything, so that was fun. But yeah, head back to the condo now.
Yep.
Condo, apartment, hotel, I don't even know what you'd call it. It is a condo, isn't it?
Yeah, the man on reception called it a condo this morning.
Yeah. Which condo?
Because he was like, these are all private condos owned.
Yeah, so it's a condo, apartment, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, you got it on the maps?
No.
No.
I was connecting to the Wi-Fi.
Okay, alright, let's get going anyway. See you back at the apartment, guys.
You know, when I was in the kitchen the other day, I noticed that I started doing that. I was just looking in the pantry and I was going brrr, brrr.
Why?
I don't know. I think it's because you do it.
Okay guys, so we are obviously back at the condo now, and yeah, we haven't really done a whole lot. So today is our final day. We are flying home tomorrow, so we've just kind of been getting things sorted as much as possible. I've just been finishing off some leftovers, so we've had dinner. We went in the hot tub for a little bit. And yeah, apart from that, we really haven't done much at all. So I'm not going to drag this video on. I am going to wrap this one up here. Hopefully you all have enjoyed it. Please give this video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace!